want to see how 4 small animals can create this in one winter? Stick around. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Coop, the Wonder Why Farmer here at Wonder Why Farm and Homestead. And today I'm going to step outside the greenhouse and we're going to prepare a bed for planting potatoes outside. But I want to show you what I'm kind of calling my rabbit garden miracle. And I say that because, as I alluded to, 4 small animals created that pile of manure, which is now fertilizer for my garden. And I've been placing it here, and I finished cleaning out their cages today, but I've been placing it here all winter just to see how much these 4 rabbits would make. So let me go ahead and show you my rabbit setup. It's right over here to the one side, and then we'll show getting the bed ready and how I'm going to use this pile of their manure. So this is my rabbit setup, and I'll just show you. There's one of the little bucks coming out. Now these rabbits are just pets. They're not for consumption. My wife actually wanted the rabbits, and I like them. They're pretty nice. I actually paid, there's 2 of these white, I believe they're Californians, I'm not exactly sure. They're meat rabbits, but I bought these at an auction one day for $1 a piece. They were just babies. But my setup is, these are actually like dog crates, little kennels. And I purchased all these. Every one of them is different, but again, I purchased these at sales whenever I could get them cheap. And really all I did, my biggest expense is these deck boxes, and I'll show you those. But I picked these because I could make them separate spots in here for 2 rabbits each. That's a doe rabbit there, and this again is a little buck. But this way here I can put their feed in there. And I can actually have this lid where I can pick this up and I can clean out their pen. What makes it nice about this is they'll come out here. They won't poop back there where they sleep. I haven't found very, very little manure back there. But they'll come out here. They'll do all their pooping, which makes it easy with the big door. I can just take a shovel and a rake and I can clean this all out. Put down some fresh hay for them. I don't put a lot out here because they don't really hang out outside very much. But yeah, there's a scooper I use to get some of the poop out of the corners. Here's the other 2. That's the mate to that other one, that whiter one. This one here, he's always they like to jump into each other. Get back. So anyway, that's my rabbit setup. I don't know if it's a good representation. The pile's probably, I'd say, a couple foot high. It's kind of hard to show you that on video. You can see, but that is the actual amount of fertilizer that I got from these 4 rabbits since, I would say, I think I started this pile probably in November. So here we are. That's about 6 months. So about half a year of manure that I'm going to use in this potato bed. I don't know if I'll use it all, but I'll actually use it in the other garden bed. Hey guys, I'm going to wrap up the video with just another brief explanation of what's going on. The pile of manure that I had there that I showed came from these 4 rabbits that I showed earlier in the video. That's about 6 months worth of their manure. I worked up this half a garden bed. This garden bed is 16 by 8, 16 long and 8 wide. I've covered about half of that with maybe a little more than half the manure that I had. My plan is to let this dry down a few days, and then I'm going to go ahead and plant some potatoes in there. That's going to be my potato bed. I'm going to plant it in 2 stages. This will be the early planting, and then probably in a month or so I'll plant another bed right beside it, so that we can have some early potatoes and we can have some maybe some potatoes to go into winter with the other ones. So that is the plan. But I just wanted to show you how much free fertilizer, and I say free tongue-in-cheek, you have to feed the rabbits, you have to provide them with a home, but you could have rabbits and you know, throw the fertilizer away. This is free. Every time that they, you know, give manure, they're giving back to us. We can put that on our ground. We can amend the soil. The nice thing about rabbit manure is you don't really have to compost it. It's not what's considered a hot manure, so you don't need to compost it. You can put it straight on the ground. It's not going to be super hot. It's not going to be. It's good to go right in the garden. Last year I used it in the garden. I would just pull the trays out because each one of those has a removable tray. I could wait until they pooped that up a little bit, remove the tray, take it right into the garden. I would drop it down right in the rows around the plants, and use that just to keep, you know, feeding microbes, feeding things into that soil. My plan was I wanted to stockpile it this winter, and I wanted to try it on potatoes. I've seen where other people have used it on potato gardens and they raved about it. So it's kind of an experiment for me. I've never done this before. So yeah, come along for the journey. We're going to grow some potatoes here. We're going to see how this works using rabbit manure in this bed. So guys, if you like this kind of stuff, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. There's no obligation. You can subscribe. If you don't like it, you don't ever have to come back. But it just shows YouTube that people are interested in this kind of thing. So if you are, I hope that you subscribe. I hope that you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more of this stuff, you want to be notified. I try to upload something every day about farming, gardening, homesteading, you name it. I'm trying to do it around here. So ring the notification bell and you'll get all of my latest updates. Until I see you guys again, I hope everyone's safe and happy and healthy. And I want to say God bless, and I'll see you on the next video.